we do on the 1 hour time frame. So there are two things that you need to do in the 1 hour time frame, which is identify the clear breakup structures and key level. So what is clear breakup structure? So there are two identification for clear breakup structure by the body and impulsive candle. And as you can see here, this breakup structures right here, break by the body. And the second thing is this breakup structures have impulsive candle, and I really love impulsive candle because it shows that the downtrend momentum is so strong. So that is two identification for clear breakup structures. So the second thing is key levels. So there are two key levels in this example, which is here and here. So what should you choose? So for me, and here's the tips for you. You should choose a key level that is near the forward high if you want to look for sell. And for example, if you want to looking for long, you want to looking for a key level that is near the forward low, which is this one in this example. So that is the thing that you need to do in your 1 hour time frame. You need to identify clear breakup structures and key levels.